Hi guys, this is Ashwin. In this video we are going to solve the problem append and delete. You have a string of lowercase English alphabetic letters. You can perform two types of operations in the string. Append a lowercase English alphabet letter to the end of the string, that is our normal append operation. Delete the character in the string. Performing this operation on an empty string results in an empty string. Okay. Given an integer k and two strings s and t, determine whether or not you can convert s to t by performing exactly k of the above operations on s. Here they have exactly, remember that keyword. If it's possible, print yes, otherwise print no. Let's see an example. Here the string s is a, b, c, t is d, e, f. Our number of moves is k, that is 6. We can convert s to t by deleting 3 characters and adding the 3 characters d, e, f. After 6 moves, we change s to t. Let's see another example. Here, hacker happy, hacker rank. This is s, this is t. We delete 5 characters and we add 4 characters to the string s. So that is exactly 9 operations. The result is yes. Let's see another one. Here, both the string are same, but we need to perform 7 operations. We will delete the string yes 4 times. If we delete the empty string, it will be an empty string. After that, we can add these 3 characters so that exactly 7 operations can be performed. So it is possible, we print yes. It is not a straightforward approach. Let's solve the problem to understand it better. Initialize count to 0. Iterate both the characters in the string. For I, j in zip s, t. So it will iterate each character of s and t in I and j. If I equals j, we increment the count by 1, else we break the loop. This whole loop is for calculating the matching characters of both the strings. After that, calculate the length of both the strings, that is total length equals len of s plus len of t. We have 3 cases here to solve the problem. First, case 1, total length less than or equals 2 multiplies count plus k. This is our first case. Here total length of the characters, that is s plus t. 2 multiplies count is the matching characters. There are 2 characters for each string and k is the number of operations. If total length less than or equal to this calculation, it is possible to change the string. How the logic works is, here count multiplies 2 is the matching characters. Apart from that, we have k operations to perform. If this count is greater than the total length, we can obviously change the string to t. Now the second case, case 2, we need to perform exactly k operations. Here you can see we need to exactly perform k operations. So the total length and the k operation should be odd or even. To check that, total length modulus 2 equals k modulus 2. This condition will find whether both are odd or even. If both the conditions are satisfied, we print yes. So it should satisfy both the condition. What if the case 2 is false? That goes to case 3. Total length less than k. If this condition satisfies, we don't need to worry about case 2. Here this operation means we have additional operations to perform on the string. So we don't need to worry about exact operations. The conditions will be like this: case 1 and case 2 or case 3. So if this condition fails, we can check for this condition. If the result is true, we print yes, else we print no. Let's type the code. If total length less than or equal to 2 multiplies count plus k and total length modulus 2 equals k modulus 2 or total length less than k. If the condition satisfies, return yes, else return no. Let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.